Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to talk about Dogecoin. And if you remember, the last time that we talked about Doge, I think we were right around this area. And I was saying above us, we are having a very important resistance. I think it was from H4 time frame. And I was saying we need to be a bit more patient and see Dogecoin getting a break of this area, and then we do some pullback, and followed by that a continuation of the move up, because at that point the road on the upside is going to be a bit more clear. So we can say our move up is going to continue with a bit more confidence, and I still kind of stand by what I said. And right in here, to me, it's definitely not a long opportunity in Doge. And now, in terms of classic patterns, this is a very classic ranging pattern. Excuse me, let's just take this one right in here. Now, in an ideal scenario, because the move before this ranging pattern was on the upside right in here, we can say odds are that we are going to probably get a break of this on the upside and continue this short-term uptrend. But it doesn't mean that right now we should open some long positions in Doge. I would like to suggest to just wait a little bit more and see what are we going to do with this thing, because if we get a break of it on the downside, sure, this isn't going to be a ranging pattern at that point, that's fair enough. However, I think we can say it might be a double top structure, which means the target for us is the height of our pattern from here to about this point, and we should put this thing at our supposedly breaking point. Okay, as you can see, if we get a break of this on the downside, the target is going to be somewhere around the lows all the way down here. Basically, we can expect at that point like a 10 to 15% move down. On the other hand, if we get a break of this one on the upside, I think the next target is going to be around the next important region, which is going to be somewhere around 20.5 to about 21.5, 22 cents. So break this pattern on the upside, the target is going to be about 15 to 20% higher. Break this one on the downside, we can at least expect about a 10% move. And ideally, I would like to suggest to just wait a bit more until Monday, because at that point markets are going to open and you are going to have a decent sense of direction at that point. If the markets are going to open up green, you are probably going to see a move up. If they're going to be already in red, you are going to see this pattern breaking on the downside and confirming this double top structure. So I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Doge. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.